Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly and easily test your internet speed on your Mac. To test your internet speed correctly, I would advise you to shut down, to quit the apps that you don't need at the moment. So I'm gonna quit Maps. To do that, just right click on or click with two fingers or click while pressing on Control button on your keyboard to open the context menu, then click on quit. Now I'm gonna quit the Maps and the other browser. And if you have more apps that may use a lot of internet connection like games or whatever, I advise you to quit them for better results. Then go to your favorite browser and go to speedtest.net and click on enter. Now just click on go. You can also change the server if you want. I'm gonna just click on go with the default one. Then you may want to allow your location for better results. And now you can see that I've tested my connection here. I can see my download speed, upload speed, then here are my other data, which is jitter, download ping and upload ping. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.